Hey people, getting ready to do what are we building, a wall? We're building a wall. Me and my boy John here. That guy. Stay tuned.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. You got this.
All right, guys. Got the first or second wall framed up here. I'll let you see it here. Pretty simple. So took me, I don't know, 10 minutes to get it all put together and framed up. So here it is. So there's one. There's the other one, obviously, that's up that me and Johnny did. So we're on the second one here, and then obviously you get to cut it short because I'm fitting in here a door. Got it all measured down here for the door to go in, and then this wall will go this way and attach to that wall and up to that for a top plate. So, all right, so here we go, standing the wall up now. Stay tuned. Sorry, we forgot to film all this. Johnny is back, saving my life, because yesterday I made a big mistake. I thought I was doing it all right, but I built this wall and messed it up because I made the entry for this door at exactly what it needs to be and didn't make room for my, what do you call them? Stud things that go alongside here?
Your kings and your jacks.
My kings and my jacks. So he came and helped me fix that. So we're putting insulation in right now, as you can see. Or John's putting insulation in. I'm talking. And then we're gonna finish insulating the wall, and then what are we doing after that? Sheetrock, and then a door. And then we got most of it done, so stay tuned.